Imagine you're working on a knowledge base hosted on GitHub. The main issue you're facing is linking headings that contain spaces. It's a common problem that can be quite frustrating to deal with. But fear not, there is a solution to this problem. The solution to hyperlinking a heading with spaces in Markdown is simple yet effective. By using URL %encoding, you can replace the space with %20 in the link. For example, instead of trying to link to a heading like long titles in a file called compatibility, you would use the following format: compatibility hashtag long %20 titles. This small tweak allows you to successfully link to headings with spaces in Markdown. Now let's delve a bit deeper into how this solution works. By replacing the space with %20 in the URL, you are essentially encoding the space character in a way that browsers can understand. This ensures that the link accurately points to the desired heading, even if it contains spaces. It's a straightforward workaround that can save you a lot of time and hassle when working with Markdown files. To recap, the key to hyperlinking headings with spaces in Markdown is to use URL %encoding. By replacing spaces with %20 in the link, you can successfully navigate to headings with spaces in their titles. It's a handy trick to have up your sleeve when working on projects that involve linking to specific sections within files. And with that, we've covered a simple yet effective solution to the problem of linking headings with spaces in Markdown. Remember to apply this technique whenever you encounter this issue in your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy linking!